If you've tried making AI videos, you know the pain. Dozens of manual clips, hours of editing, and characters that never look the same twice. Sora 2 just ended all of that. It generates multi-shot, fully edited videos with perfect character consistency from one prompt. So today, I'm giving you the system to master it. The Sora 2 Mastering Playbook, a complete guide that will turn you from a simple prompter into a cinematic director. I've spent the last week reverse engineering how this model thinks, and I've distilled everything into the complete Sora 2 prompting guide. This isn't just a list of tips, it's a strategic framework that forces the AI to build cinematic sequences, layer by layer. I've shared the whole thing in the description below, but before I show you how this works, if you want more cutting-edge AI tutorials like this every week, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out. Alright, now let's get into it. Here's how to use it. First, go to any LLM of your choice. I'm using Claude for this. Go to Projects, create a new project, and copy-paste the system prompt into instructions. Then add the prompting guide in the file section. After that, you can basically just describe your idea and get high-quality prompts automatically. Let me show you what this can do. Let's start with something simple. A customer sips a cappuccino and is suddenly transported to a different era, maybe Victorian London, reacting to the new surroundings. Now we've got our prompt, and here's the result we got.
What the? This isn't possible.
For comparison, here's what we got from the basic prompt. This is the power of a good prompt. As you can see, it's broken down a simple scene into multiple shots and transitions, making it look genuinely cinematic. Now, Sora does work well with basic prompts in most cases, but if you need more control or just better quality output than normal, you'll need more detailed prompts. Now let's try something that sounds simple, but is actually complex. A live-action character discovers some power in himself. He snaps his fingers and instantly transforms into a 2D anime version of himself. Here are the results.
What is this? Let's see what happens.
Okay, so the basic prompt couldn't actually pull off the full transformation, but using the master prompt, it actually delivered. Now let's push the stylistic complexity even further. What if we want to blend visual styles? A neon-lit arcade scene where an 80s video game leaks into the real world, with pixelated characters and glitch effects blending into live action. Let's see if it can handle it. Here's the basic prompt result.
They came out!
That's not supposed to happen!
Whoa, he just jumped out!
And the dragon... Oh my...
And here's the result from the prompt we created. The difference is night and day. Alright, now we're entering territory that breaks most AI models. Meteor hits, but only the guy taking a selfie survives. Here's the result. Both versions turned out really good. The first one is more realistic. The second one looks like production quality video. Finally, let's create something immediately practical, a broadcast quality commercial. In a Super Bowl style Halloween commercial, a Snickers bar floats over trick-or-treaters before being sucked up by a UFO. Watch what Sora 2 produces.
Happy Halloween, this was so good.
Okay, and then this looks like a proper ad. Think about what this actually means. A small business owner can now create ads that look like they cost $50,000 to produce. A freelancer can pitch clients with actual finished commercials instead of storyboards. A content creator can produce dozens of variations to test what works. The barrier to professional video content, it just collapsed. But here's the thing, most people won't understand. This only works if you know how to direct it. Learning to write prompts like these will give you a massive advantage. You no longer need to be a professional editor or a VFX artist to tell a compelling story. With this system, you are the director. You're a one-person film studio. I've put the link to download the entire Sora 2 prompting guide in the description below. Upload it to ChatGPT or Claude, and it'll instantly become your personal script supervisor. If you found this valuable, hit that subscribe button, because we'll be bringing you more videos like this every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.